For years, our hot tub has been a point of contention since my wife can't lift the lid, especially when these lids get a little bit sodden over time. I struggle with a lot of ways to try to allow her to get in and out on her own, so I don't always have to be there to open and close it. I tried pulley systems and all kinds of hand-drawn ropes, but that never worked. I could hardly lift it with that. But I came up with a solution that's inexpensive and works like a charm and settled all the family arguments. I've seen a lot of solutions posted that look very expensive, whereas I wanted to spend less than $150 to do this, and I did. Here's how it works. I've got the wire rope going up to a sturdy and reinforced automotive pulley that works on 12 volts. I struggled with how to provide 12 volts until my neighbor said, just buy a cheap battery. That's what I did. And I'll put this on a trickle charger in a few more days and it'll be self-sufficient. The winch that I bought cost less than $75 on Amazon and came with a unique possibility I never even thought about. It comes with a remote control. Let's see how it works. I just turn on the remote, and if she wants to get into the pool, she just pushes in. And the winch works only when you're pushing the button, so she can stop at any time by just letting go of the button. And it has the extra added feature of providing a rain cover here in the Northwest, where that's often the case. My early versions of this using pulleys rather than the winch were designed to attach around the handle and then to lift up with the rope pulley system. And I suppose you could do that, but I opted instead to attach it to the existing lifter system. It's much sturdier and won't bust out this handle over time. The wire rope goes around the Easy Lift system, so it's putting no stress on the plastic handles that are on the ends of the cover. This provides a strong and hinged support. Plus, you can lock it too. Sort of. Oh, and of course, it also closes just by pushing the out button to get out of the tub. I give it a little help at the end, and so does my wife. It doesn't take much to do. Just lift up the little handle here. Not much weight there at all. Make sure it guides in where you want it. And let go of the button, and there we go. Solved. It looks safe to me. Again, it's reinforced with this 4x4. It's not that much pressure on it, I don't think. And again, the battery, I'll probably put a cover over that just so it isn't so unsightly. But this is an early version of my solution to a hot tub cover lifter.